Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm from Revive in Southport and Preston. First started in 2023. Car salesman for about 19 years in total. Worked for 2 different companies. I was working almost every weekend. So my only days off were Tuesday, which was quite difficult because every time I decided to go out and do something, all my friends were in work. And I was the only person kind of hanging out with myself. So it was my family time. So knowing I'm finishing work at 6 o'clock at night on a Saturday and they're all out having a barbecue, enjoying the summertime, and I'm kind of stuck in work. I was looking at a lot of franchises at the time. There was lots of them. Looking to sell cars, stay pretty much in the industry of what I've been doing anyway, what I've been used to. When I was working for Lexus at the time, Revive was looking after Toyota and Lexus. And every time I was going downstairs, because I used to obviously look after the pitch, so I used to do like appraisals to the vehicles, walk around, see what needs doing, alloy wheels, bumper scuffs, wing damages, and I used to go and speak to the techs at Revive. When I actually went down and started speaking to them, I was watching what they were doing and I was quite interested. And I really enjoyed the guys, they were really good, they were very friendly. And ever since then, I've been looking at all these franchises on the internet. I would certainly say I was terrified in starting a business, but I've got incredible backing from my family, especially my father. He's very successful in his business. And I know the car industry. So I've got the best opportunity I can to join a franchise such as Revive. The first week and the first month was superb. Through the back into the company, through Revive, through head office, the guidance through your pay-per-click, your advertisement, your social media, how to push the brand, all that was really exciting. A lot of it was common sense, but it's repeatedly doing the same things. It's the consistency around it which gives you the result at the end. Yeah, they've supported me in a lot of aspects. It's the accountancy side, the money factor, claiming VAT, paying VAT. That's what terrified me into going into business. But knowing that you've got somebody there behind you, I've got a question with this one, I've just had an email from HMRC, don't worry about it, this is that, okay, fantastic, all the weight's off my shoulders. And again, the managers from day one, I always ever felt like Mark and Terry, they were open arms, it was nice and easy to generally speak to them. They were quite open with what they were talking about, and they laid everything all down and said, this is basically how the business is run, this is how it works, this is what you do. These are your royalties, so everything, the support was superb. I know more people, there's more dealerships, there's a lot more avenues kind of in Preston as it's more of a tight city. Southport was a little bit more challenging because it's stretched. There's not as many dealerships, so there wasn't as many opportunities. And I think I've done well from what I can see on paper, from what I can see with my text, from what I'm getting told from head office. In the Southport area, and I'd seen just an opportunity to purchase the Preston area. I mean, it's not just about the technicians, it's the people you kind of invest in more, because you can teach the skill, you can put your investment into them. It's the people you more invest in. It's all one big opportunity, and you've got to take the opportunities. I think I said this during one of my first ever interviews, that if you're at the top of the hill and if you never jump, you'll stare at the top of that hill and you'll stay there for the rest of your life. So always take an opportunity, take a little jump, have a bit of faith in yourself.